Hi class, let's take a look at example 4. Now example 4 wants a couple of things, and they're asking for the equation in standard form. So in this case, we're going to rewrite it as h comma k form. And well, in terms of identifying the type of equation that we have, since we only have technically one square, this is going to be a parabola. And h comma k form is going to be y is equal to a x minus h squared plus the values of k. So I'm just using one of the formulas from above. There's no need to express the a as technically this mess if we're not finding, well, technically the focus or the directrix, since that is needed. That form is needed, but I'll do an example where we're referring to that specific formula, and then also other formulas will be provided. Okay, now in order for us to express it in h comma k, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding the 5's. So this particular equation now looks like, and let me use the same color. So y is equal to your x squared minus your 4x plus the 5. Now the next step in actually expressing that in h comma k is to actually obtain this form, which is going to be the completion of the squared. So what I'm going to do is, well, technically, since you have a 1 on the x squared, in this case a is equal to 1, then what we're going to do here is, well, obtain the actual x value, which in this case it happens to be -4. And to complete the squared, we're going to be dividing it by 2 and squaring it. So that's going to give us -2 squared. That will be 4. And then we have to do the following trick to not actually change the equation. So you're going to have y is equal to x squared minus 4x, and you technically have the plus 5. Now what we're going to do to complete the square is add a 4. But you cannot add a 4. If you were to just add a 4, that means that you're putting the parabola at a different position. So therefore, you're going to have to do an adjustment. If you end up adding, you end up subtracting, and the parabola, it's still in the same position. So at this point, we're looking at y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4, and technically plus 1. The whole idea of this completing the square is that this is not a perfect squared, and it's actually going to factor as two identical quantities, x's and x's, and we're looking at -2 minus 2 plus 1. Or in this case, y is equal to x minus 2 squared plus 1. In this case, this is a parabola. The actual vertex it's going to be at 2, 1. So they want us to provide a sketch, identify, we already did that. And let me just provide a sketch of this one. The actual vertex is at 2, 1, so 2, 1. The values of a is technically equal to 1, so your parabola, it's going to open upward. Oh well, let me fix this. So we're talking about from here, it's gonna open upward. And that's actually it for this one.